So here's how you can allow camera access on a PayPal on your Android. Let's get started. If it's your first time in here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, every single app which you install on your device can be managed and have its own settings menu in the actual settings app. So you can open it up like that, and from the menu of items, just go to the apps like this, and then this is going to present you with the alphabetical order of every single installed app right here. So you can scroll through them and find it alphabetically. So you're going to find the P for PayPal, and you can open it up as long as the app is installed and like downloaded from the Play Store. You should definitely see it right here. So you can get inside and we have notifications, and right below there is the permissions section. So you can see that no permissions are currently allowed if you haven't clicked anything already. But you can see that there is the camera section and you can allow it right away. And there are three options. So you can see don't allow, ask every time, and allow only while using the app. That is basically the way that, or the options which you can pick between. But that's okay, you can just enable it right here. But me personally, I don't really go to the settings right away. I just wait for the occasion where the app asks for the permission. So for example, if I would want to use camera within this app, it would ask me right away inside of the application if I want to allow it or not, and I would decide it right there. But that is of course the very same thing. So I hope I was able to assist you and help you find it. Thanks a lot for sticking till the end, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorial. So make sure you subscribe and you're not gonna miss anything important.